Hello everyone, welcome to my Task 2.2 of Embedded System Development. In this video, I will explain how I achieved the goal of representing my name in Arduino Nano by writing the Morse code in Arduino IDE. For that, let us understand what a Morse code is. Morse code is a method used in telecommunication to encode text characters as standardized sequences of two different signal durations called dots and dashes. Every alphabet has a different Morse code as mentioned in the table below. Now, as I already introduced before, there are two main variables to express any alphabet via Morse code, one being dash and the other being dot. To represent dash, the delay of the blink can be increased like shown here. The delay is set to be 3000, whereas for representing a dot, the blink time can be reduced like done here. The delay is set to be 300. Hence, a long blink will mean it's a dash, whereas a small blink would mean a dot is being presented. Now, to understand how we can present our name via Arduino Nano, let's understand the code first. The code contains of two functions, one being void setup, while the other is void loop. Let's look at the first function, that is void setup. This step helps the user to initialize the built-in LED at the 13th pin of the Arduino. The next function is the vital one called void loop. This function contains the Morse code for all of our alphabets starting from the first letter of my name, which is O. Here is the Morse code of the letter O. For representing the alphabet O, 3 dashes need to be blinked. The code is as follows. The first two lines are used to light on the LED light for a delay of 3000, whereas the next two lines are used to switch off the light for 1000 delay time. Lines from 5 to 8 and 9 to 11 also follow the same algorithm and hence represents 3 dashes. Similarly, the other alphabets such as J, A, S, V and I can be represented according to the Morse code defined for them. After writing the Morse code, we can plug in our Arduino Nano and upload the code to make it work like the one in the video shown. We can clearly see that the first 3 blinks were long, which indicates they were dashes, making it an interpretation of O in Morse code, whereas the fourth one was a smaller one representing a dot, which is the start of the Morse code of J. All the other alphabets of my name are also represented in the exact same way, and this is how it will be represented with the help of Arduino Nano. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. This is Ujasvi signing off.